Hello, myself is Anjana Pawar, HGM College, Karad. Now, last lecture we studied some example based on the composite theorem. Now, in this lecture we again solve more example for same composite theorem. So, write down my first example. Differentiate the following function with respect to x. So, my first example, y is equal to log of sec 3x plus tan 3x. Now, whenever this example is coming, we check given function is composite function or standard function. So, this given function is composite function because here standard function is log, but here is not x. The x replaced by sec 3x plus tan 3x. So, this is the form of u plus v. So, first we find the derivative of log of x and then we find the derivative of sec 3x plus tan 3x by using the rules of differentiation u plus v. So, we start solving problem. Differentiate with respect to x. So, we get dy by dx. Here, standard function is log and sub function is sec 3x plus tan 3x. So, standard function के हिसाब से अपना एग्जाम्पल का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? log of x का 1 upon x. So, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 1 upon sec 3x plus tan 3x. But this is not whole x. So, again we find the derivative of sec 3x plus tan 3x with respect to x. Now, this is the form of u plus v. This is the form of u plus v. So, again we find the rule of differentiation. Find the derivative of u and find the derivative of v. So, we get here 1 upon sec 3x plus tan 3x as it is. Now, derivative of sec 3x with respect to x plus derivative of tan 3x with respect to x. Now, we find the derivative here, sec 3x and tan 3x. This is not a standard function. Our standard function is sec x, but here x replaced by 3x. So, this is a composite function. Similarly, tan 3x is not a standard function. So, tan x is your standard function. This x replaced by 3x, so it is a composite function. So, again we can use here composite form. So, 1 upon sec 3x plus tan 3x as it is. Now, derivative of sec x, which is sec x tan x. So, derivative of sec 3x, which is sec 3x into tan 3x. And again I find the derivative of 3x. So, again I find the derivative of 3x with respect to x. Similarly, plus derivative of tan x, which is sec square x. So, derivative of tan 3x, which is sec square 3x, and again I find the derivative of this 3x because this is the composite form. So, 3x with respect to x. Now, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon sec 3x plus tan 3x as it is. Multiply inside the bracket sec 3x multiply tan 3x. 3 is a constant, take it outside, and x, what is the derivative of x with respect to x? Which is 1. So, we get here 3 sec 3x into tan 3x plus, similarly, sec square 3x as it is. 3 is a constant, take it outside. What is the derivative of x with respect to x? Again a 1. So, we get here plus 3 sec square 3x. Now, in this bracket, sec 3x and 3 is a constant, take it outside. So, dy by dx is equal to 3 sec 3x, take it outside. Inside the bracket, we get tan 3x, this term, take it outside, plus remaining here sec 3x divided by sec 3x plus tan 3x. Now these two brackets are same, cancel out. So your final answer dy by dx is equal to 3 sec 3x. This is your final answer. Now we can solve more example. Next example, y is equal to second example, y is equal to a raised to sin cube x plus 3 plus log of tan x. Now given function in the form of which form? Here given function y is the form of u plus v. So we can use here first rules of differentiation. We find the derivative of u with respect to x. We find the derivative of v with respect to x. So first we use the differentiation rule. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to derivative of a raised to sin cube x plus 3 with respect to x plus derivative of log of tan x with respect to x. Now here this is a function, standard function a raised to x, but here x is replaced by sin cube x plus 3. So this is a composite function. Similarly here log of x is your standard function, but x is replaced by tan x. So this is again a composite function. So we use here composite theorem. So dy by dx is equal to, we can first find the derivative in standard function. What is the derivative of a raised to x? Which is a raised to x log of a. So what is the derivative of a raised to sin cube x plus 3? Which is a raised to sin cube x plus 3 and log of a. But this is not my x. So again a derivative of that term. So derivative of sin cube x plus 3 with respect to x. Plus what is the derivative of log of x, which is a standard function. So log of x का derivative क्या होगा? 1 upon x. But this is not x. X replaced by tan x. So again find the derivative of tan x. So here derivative of log of tan x, which is 1 upon tan x, and again a derivative of tan x with respect to x. Now again this is the form of u plus v. So again we use here rules of differentiation, u plus v. We can find the derivative of u, we can find the derivative of v. So a raised to sin cube x plus 3 as it is, multiply log of a as it is. Now find the derivative of sin cube x with respect to x plus derivative of 3 with respect to x plus what is the derivative of tan x, which is a standard form. So we can directly write the tan x derivative sec square x. So sec square x upon tan x. Now this is not a standard form. This is again a composite form. किसमें कंपोज हुआ है ये? x रेज टू n में कंपोज हुआ है. यहाँ x रिप्लेस किसमें हुआ है? sin x में रिप्लेस हुआ है. So first we can use the x raised to n form derivative and then we find the derivative of sin x. So again we use here composite function theorem. So dy by dx is equal to a raised to sin cube x plus 3 multiply log x as it is, log a as it is. Now what is the derivative of x raised to n? Yeah, x raised to 3. The derivative of x raised to 3, which is 3x square. So what is the derivative of sin raised to 3? Derivative of sin raised to 3 is 3 sin square x. And again a derivative, because this is not my x. X replaced by sin x. So again a derivative of sin x with respect to x. What is the derivative of 3? 3 is a constant term. So derivative of constant term is 0. So plus 0 plus sec square x divided by tan x. Now here derivative of this term. Sin x is a standard form. Straightforward answer. Sin x derivative is cos x. So dy by dx is equal to a raised to sin cube x plus 3 multiply log a multiply this multiply any term So we get here 3 sin square x multiply derivative of sin, which is cos x, plus sec square x divided by tan x. If you want, then simplify again. This sec square x we can write 1 upon cos square x. This sin x, tan x we can write sin upon cos, and we can simplify more. Now we can stop here. Now we can write the next example, which is third example, y is equal to cot of log of x upon 2 minus log of cot x upon 2. Okay, my third example is y is equal to cot log of x upon 2 minus log of cot x upon 2. So this is the form of y is equal to u minus v. So we can use the rules of differentiation. Derivative of u with respect to x minus derivative of v with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to derivative of cot of log x divided by 2 with respect to x minus derivative of log of cot x upon 2 with respect to x. Now this u and v function is a standard function or composite function. Check out. Cot of not x here, x replaced by log of x divided by 2. So this is a composite form. Similarly, log of x is not here given, x replaced by cot x upon 2. So both function are composite function. So first we find the derivative of cot in standard form, which is minus cos x square x, and find the derivative of log of x, which is 1 upon x. But both are composite functions, so again a derivative of this term as well as this term. So what is the derivative of cot, which is minus cos x square. But what is the angle here? Log of x upon 2. But this is not my x, so again we can find the derivative. Log of x upon 2 with respect to x minus what is the derivative of log of x, which is 1 upon x. So what is the derivative of log of cot x upon 2, which is 1 upon cot x upon 2. But this is not my x. So this x replaced by cot x divided by 2. So again a derivative of cot x divided by 2 with respect to x. Now next, this log of x divided by 2. 1 by 2 is a constant. Take it outside. What is the derivative of log x? 1 upon x. Similarly, cot x upon 2. Cot x is a standard function. 1 by 2 is a constant. Take it outside. So we get here dy by dx is equal to minus cos x square. Inside the bracket, angle is cos x upon 2, and derivative here multiply 1 by 2 is constant, multiply log of x derivative is 1 by x, minus denominator to denominator go to the numerator. So we get here 2 upon cot x multiply 1 by 2, because 1 by 2 is a constant. Take it outside. What is the derivative of cot x? Which is minus cos x square x. Now 1 by 2, this cancel out. So we get a final answer. Dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2x minus, because this minus sign, cos x square log of x upon 2, minus minus become plus. So plus cos x square upon cot x. So this is your final answer. I hope you understand. Now we write next example, which is y is equal to, next example, fourth example, y is equal to e raised to 2x minus e raised to minus 2x divided by e raised to 2x plus e raised to minus 2x. So this is your example. So this is a form of standard form. Y is equal to u upon v. Y is equal to u upon v. So we can use y is equal to u upon v, but further we simplify some example. Y is equal to e raised to 2x. This e raised to minus 2x we can write 1 upon e raised to 2x divided by e raised to 2x as it is plus 1 upon e raised to 2x. Now denominator is not same, cross multiplication. So y is equal to e raised to 2x multiply e raised to 2x, which is e raised to 4x. Because base is same, addition of power 2x plus 2x, which is 4x. Minus 1 divided by e raised to 2x, denominator is same. Divided by same, denominator is not same, cross multiplication. So e raised to 4x plus 1 divided by e raised to 2x. Numerator denominator and denominator are same, so cancel out. So this y is simplified e raised to 4x minus 1 divided by e raised to 4x plus 1. Now we simplify, differentiate with respect to x by using a u divided by v rule. So differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to, we can use u upon v rule. Differentiate u with respect to x minus u derivative of v with respect to x divided by v square. So we get here e raised to 4x plus 1 as it is, derivative of v क्या है यहाँ पे e raised to 4x minus 1 with respect to x minus e raised to 4x minus 1 which is u, derivative of v e raised to 4x plus 1 with respect to x divided by v square. What is v here? E raised to 4x plus 1. So divided by e raised to 4x plus 1 whole square. Now simplify. Here u minus v form, here u plus v form. So again rules of differentiation. We find the derivative of u minus we find the derivative of v. Similarly here, but dy by dx is equal to e raised to 4x plus 1 as it is. What is the derivative of e raised to 4x with respect to x? This is the standard function or composite function? Yes, this is a composite form because your standard form is e raised to x, but here x replaced by 4x, so this is a composite form. So first we find the derivative of e raised to 4x which is e raised to x. What is the derivative of e raised to x? E raised to x. So same here, what is the derivative of e raised to 4x which is e raised to 4x, but again find the derivative of 4x because this is a composite form. So minus derivative of what with respect to x minus e raised to 4x minus 1 derivative of e raised to 4x with respect to x plus derivative of 1 with respect to x divided by e raised to 4x plus 1 whole square. Now simplify. We know that both are composite function, so we use here composite form. So e raised to 4x plus 1 multiply e raised to 4x derivative, and again I find the derivative of e raised to 4x का यहाँ पे x replaced by 4x, so again a derivative of 4x with respect to x. What is the derivative of 1 which is 0 minus e raised to 4x minus 1 derivative of e raised to x which is e raised to x, derivative of e raised to 4x which is e raised to 4x, again a derivative of 4x with respect to x, derivative of 1 is 0 divided by e raised to 4x plus 1 whole square. Now simplify. Dy by dx is equal to e raised to 4x plus 1. Now what is the derivative of 4x? 4 is constant. What is the derivative of x which is 1? So we get here e raised to 4x multiply 4 minus e raised to 4x minus 1 as it is, e raised to 4x multiply 4 divided by e raised to 4x plus 1 whole square. Again here simplify. E raised to 4x multiply 4 is a constant, take it outside. So inside the bracket dy by dx is equal to e raised to 4x multiply 4 is a constant taken outside, inside the bracket e raised to 4x plus 1. Now open the bracket, then minus sign goes to the inside the bracket. So this plus goes to the minus, this minus goes to the plus. So minus e raised to 4x plus 1 divided by e raised to 4x plus 1 whole square. Now e raised to 4x is cancel out. So we get a final answer dy by dx is equal to 1 plus 1 which is 2, 2 multiply 4 which is 8. So 8 e raised to 4x divided by e raised to 4x plus 1 whole square. This is our final answer. So I hope you all understand. Now next lecture we solve further example for same composite theorem. Thank you.